Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn about HashTable data structure, which sometimes also known as HashMap, or simply just map data structure. This tutorial is a part of the data structures and algorithm class. For simplicity, I will call it map data structure in our tutorials. A map or HashTable/HashMap data structure contains non-ordered key-value pairs. The key is simply just a random string. This random string can be created by you or a hash function. The value can contain any kind of data structure. For example, it can be a string, can be an array, it can be an object, it can be anything. Map data structure has very fast access. O1 access. If you already have the key, you can get the value with O1 time complexity. So it's usually used for catching. In JavaScript, we have two ways to use map data structure. One is the map class, and the other one is object, because object is also a map data structure. This is a visualization of map data structure on your computer memory, RAM. And this is how map data structure look like on your code. In two ways, the object way and the map class way. In map 1, we initialize the map with object style. We are mapping the names of the characters with their superhero names. For example, Tony Stark is mapping to Iron Man, and Clark Kent is mapping to Superman. Tony Stark and Clark Kent are the keys, and Iron Man and Superman are the values. We have key-value pairs. Now, if I want to know the superhero name of Tony Stark, I give map 1 the key Tony Stark, and the map give me the value Iron Man. JavaScript also give me another way to create a map. Here I have map 2, created using map class. To add data in the map, I use set method. For this line, I'm mapping Diana Prince to Wonder Woman, and the second line I'm mapping Wanda Maximoff to Scarlet Witch. And just like the previous map 1, if I want to know the superheroine names of Diana Prince, I can give the key Diana Prince to the get method, and it will give me Wonder Woman. That is how map works on your code. On your computer memory RAM, the map values will be added to available memory space. Each of these slots is one space. Each of the spaces has its own physical address where your computer can go straight to it and get the data. And JavaScript makes it easier for us by mapping the addresses with our keys. Next, we're gonna see how our data looks like. Print it out. I'm using the same example as before. And when I print out map 1, it's gonna look like a JavaScript object with key and value pairs. When we print map 2 out, map 2 is a map class, so we see that it says map here, but it also contains the same thing, like object map, with keys and value pairs. Next, we're gonna learn how to do operations on our data. To insert with object style, I give map 1 a new key and assign it to a new value. To insert with map class style, we use the set method with key go first and value go later. So when we print map 1 out, we have Carol Danvers is Captain Marvel, and for map 2, we have Bruce Banner is the Hulk. To delete with object style, we can use the delete syntax, and we give the map with the key we want to delete. To delete with map class style, we use the delete method with the key. So when we print map 1 out, Tony Stark and Superman is removed. And for map 2, Diana Prince Wonder Woman is removed. To search with object style, we can just simply pass in the key, and the map will give us the value. Key Clark Kent, value Superman. To search with map class style, we can use the get method with the key as input, and the value is the output. So key Wanda Maximoff gives value Scarlet Witch. Usually when you search the map, you already know the keys. And once you already know the key, it is O1 searching. It is very fast. Lastly, we remember how fast our operations are. Map data structure is a wonderful data structure. You can see insert is O1, delete is O1, access with key is O1, and search with key is also O1. Now notice that if you don't have the key, the search now become ON. Because when you don't have these keys, you have to travel to each of the spaces here to see if the value is actually the one that you're looking for. And because you have to travel all the way, the worst case scenario for searching without the key is ON, just like an array. But that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.